Some interesting stats about Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, that I thought you would find interesting. So on the screen, it is our showings. And so we have this program that shows you, based off the price point, how many showings that house is getting during a certain time. So we, as agents, we definitely have felt a pickup in showings in the last 10 days. So I was just curious, what exactly are we feeling? Is it an opinion? Is it just something that individuals are feeling, or is it as a entire market? So based off of this, it will break down what properties are, not properties, but what price points homes are getting shown the most. So if you scroll down here, this is the activity details. This is between the last 10 days, so 1/1 to 1/10. And we went up to 2.25 million. We do have homes that are a little bit above that, but our average is about $1 million. And I can't go that high if I want to look at also the lowest house that went under contract. Okay, so based off of this, we've had 379 showings in the last 10 days. And right here, you can see which one had the most market share. So the sweet spot has been in between 600 and 800,000. It will show us our monthly average of homes of their showings, their weekly average, and the showings per listing. So on average, in the last 10 days, we have been seeing about 6 showings. But if you were listed between 600 and 900 or 600 and 700,000, what is interesting about this fact is I also looked up between 12/1 and 12/31 of last month, and we had a total of 812 showings. Now, in the last 10 days, we've had almost half of the amount that they had in 30 days. So what I wanted to dig a little bit deeper on this is that we had 43 homes go under contract in Mount Pleasant. These are detached homes. Just to let you guys know, Mount Pleasant, detached homes. So last month, we had a total of 43 homes go under contract, with the average days on market being 18. In the last 10 days, Mount Pleasant saw 26 detached homes go under contract, with a median days on market being 57 days. So what we're seeing now is homes that have hit the market that about 2 months ago are now going under contract, and we are seeing an aggressive amount of more showings. Why is that? It could be that, people are finally done with the holidays, and they're like, okay, let's get back out there. I want to go see the houses where they can finally hit those goals that they have for next year, as in this year. It also could be that, the like spike of uncertainty that the news and the interest rates has given us has finally faded off, just like it did in the very beginning of COVID, where it spiked. No one did anything. We didn't do any showings. We were very uncertain about the market. It's similar to what happened in the fourth quarter of last year. So what I am predicting is that, that spike of uncertainty that happened in the fourth quarter is now fading, and people are deciding to jump into the market, because what is better than purchasing a home? Now, based off of these price points right here, we're seeing for Mount Pleasant, these are first-time home buyers. So it looks like first-time home buyers are jumping into the market, where these people probably didn't go into the market the last 2 years, or the last 2 years they failed to purchase a home because of how aggressive it was, and now they're ready to jump back into the market. Just for an example, I will go ahead and show this to you, and then I will get off of here because I know no one wants a long video about market stats. So here you go. I am going to do of just the whole month, just so you can get an idea of what was happening last month as well. Again, it was these lower price points. Our average price point in Mount Pleasant is about $1 million, and our median sales price is almost 900 at about like 890. It might have dropped actually last month. Let's see, our median. Let's hide this. Here you go, right here, median sales price. I believe it did drop. Yep, it dropped to 741 when it was 876. So our median sales price has dropped. It looks like those showings are now showing the fact that, that is the sweet spot that people are looking in. If you have any questions, this is something how I price homes as well. It's really important to see which what prices are getting the most showings, and that will help you determine what price point you should start listing your home. But if you're curious about your home value, if you want me to come and do a home equity review for you, or if you're a buyer wanting to enter the market and just wanting to get a little bit more information about how to aggressively take this market and get the most that you can reach me at Marley at marleypresswood.com, and I'd be happy to talk to you about it. Have a good day.